Hey, I'm Daniel Margin from Germany, and I give you two messages. One is think Delphi, because Delphi is a developing system. I worked for many years at Delphi 1 and before also with Turbo Pascal. The most important thing with a developing tool, in my opinion, is that you can reuse your source code. This is the most important stuff. I can use my source code from Delphi 1 to Delphi 2009, transport it to Unicode and so on. And that's the great stuff. If you look to all the other developing systems, you can't do it. This is one of the best things. And the second message, what I like to give you is, I trust Interbase. Up. I trust Interbase. Because Interbase is a database that runs multi-platform, and you have direct connection from Delphi, from Java, wherever, and that's simple to install, and that's the great stuff. Yeah, this is why I love all the products from Borland and then to CodeGear, and now we are in a good home, in an Embarcadero home. We have all the database designing tools now, and RStudio, DB Artisan, and so on. And we have the database, we have the solution for everything. Yeah, so many wishes from Germany, and I hope to see you also on the next Delphi Live conference. Here it was great stuff, a lot of good sessions, and see you next time. Thanks, bye-bye.